morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my channel. My name is Terry Clark, aka Papa 51. My family and friends call me. And welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe at the end of this video. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Criticism is welcome here. And as I always say, the channel is all about health, wealth, investments, and everything you can think of that I think that's a value or may be of value to you. Today we'll be discussing about the power of hormones by the Hormone Wellness Group, created by Angela Byron. Women have all types of issues about, as they age, as they get around 30, 40, 55, as they get older, their health issues start becoming a problem with menopause, mood swings, low energy levels, because their lives are so busy, with family, kids, their careers, or whatever. They burn a lot of energy, not saying they don't take care of themselves, which women do try to take care of themselves, but their lives are so busy that they sometimes forget, about their health because they're worried about, the kids, family, making dinner and, all the things that women do to take care of their family. Women are the lifeblood of the family. Yeah, daddy got a lot of things to do with it too, but mama, she pretty much 24/7, But, we're not gonna, I don't want to drag this video out because I want you to go to this website and get a chance to absorb the information that's here, which is of value. This is a good value. I found this stuff. I want to help women out too, with their health. And as always pop up with the hormone issues. Okay, the imbalance, something you're lacking and deficient in. So we're going to unpack this website. It's not a long website, but I don't want to get too much in depth into it because I want you to go check it out for yourself and show up the information that's available so you can make an informed decision whether this is for you. And I think this is for you if you want to get your hormones to balance out to why you're burning energy and doing everything in your daily lives. Okay, let's unpack this thing. Okay, like I said, this is from the Hormone Wellness Group, and the package is called The Power of Hormones, helping women to achieve optimum hormone health. Just a few years ago, my health and my life was spiraling downwards out of my control. This is the author and the creator of this product. I was plagued by weight gain, hair loss, persistent low mood, and insomnia. Doctors couldn't explain it. I couldn't explain it until I found out that the problem was my hormones. Since then, I have seen so many women suffering unnecessarily just like I was. Why? Because hormone imbalance is frequently overlooked as a primary cause of debilitating systems such as fatigue, brain fog, hair loss, slow metabolism, low mood, and even it is identified, it is rarely treated effectively. It's time for this to change. The Power of Hormones is women's hormone health and wellness program that was created to enable women to rebalance. You see the key word? Rebalance hormones for optimum health, to get your system back in order. Okay. What was health? Now it's time to discover how to feel healthy, happy, energized again with the power of hormones, created by Angela Byron, like I said. Okay. And here's what's in the 6 minutes for the optimum health. Look at what you're getting. Number one, improve sleep quality. That's what I'm talking about. Your lives are busy. Career, kids, school, taking care of the family, even your husband too. You're burning both ends of the candle. and sometimes in the middle, and you just don't know where you're coming and going. Number 2, supports healthy weight loss. Number 3, boosts mood and reduce anxiety. This is what's included in this package for you. Okay. 4, improve brain health. 5, improve relationships to make you better. So when you got everything is going good for you, and everything, your health is feeling good, everything, your mood is healthy, you're feeling good, then everybody's feeling good because mom, is feeling great. Okay. Number 6, improve skin and hair and nails. When you feel good, your hair grows. You have a glow about yourself. Okay. And here's the things about the author. Okay. You get to see her story by clicking her full story if you want to check it out and read more. And here's the package. Okay. The Power Hormones Women's Health Package, a step-by-step. It's a kit for achieving optimal hormone health. Okay. The Power Hormone is a comprehensive women's health package that aims to provide women with everything they need to balance their hormones and experience lasting relief from symptoms such as fatigue, weight gain, problem skin, reduced desire, and intimacy. It includes a 140 plus page guide that leads women step by step through identifying symptoms of hormone imbalance, interrupting hormone test results, creating their personalized treatment plan. Taken from a holistic approach, users are guided to identify the right combination of medical and natural hormone treatment that will work best for their body. Now everybody is one size fit all. Every woman is different. Okay, and achieve the results they are looking for. The goal to help every woman who is suffering from hormone imbalance to look and feel amazing again by identifying and treating the root cause of her system. The root cause, that's the key word. So you find out what's going on with you. You got to get the right reference so you can treat your system. The package also includes amazing bonus resources aimed to maximize results and target problem areas. Check out what's included. Okay, here's the package. Okay, you get the Power of Hormones, the Guide to Optimal Health, Hormone Health. You're getting the Power of Hormones audiobook, the Power of Hormone Support workbook. Okay, eating for hormone health, the bloat and banish solution, doubling your energy. Okay, look at what you're getting in this package. Additional features. Okay, easy to follow steps for diagnosis. Okay, a broad spectrum treatment options, results tracking. Okay, lifestyle tips, diet support, holistic approach. This is not some pie in the star that you're getting from your doctor. All these synthetic vitamins, all this other stuff. The body just don't recognize. You want a holistic approach, that the body can understand, which is your vegetables and all your leafy vegetables and stuff like that. Eating correctly, having the right diet that the body recognizes. Even you taking vitamins, you know what I'm saying? That's a balanced out diet. Okay, if I'm making sense to you. Okay, here you go. Thyroid, autoimmune health. This is what you get in this package for. This is a complete package. Okay, estrogen dominance. Okay, adrenaline health, menopause support. That's what I'm talking about. Women going through their phases. Okay, as you age, menopause. If everything's out of whack, you're gonna have all kind of issues. Okay, sleep restoration strategy, so you can get your rest in. No matter, even if you're busy, how to get it in. This guide is telling you how to how should I say it? Put everything in perspective. In its own category. If I'm making sense to you. Okay. Skin and hair restoration tips. Your hair is falling out. losing your hair. You don't know what's going on. You using all the best products or whatever, trying to get your hair back in order, but it's still falling out. They will show you the tips to restore your hair, to get it back. Emotional well-being and empowerment, so you won't have all these mood swings. Thought clarity, so you can get back focus again, folks. This is what's in this package. This is a nice package for women, okay? And here's the hormone power pack, I call it. Okay, you got first pack. Like I always say, you don't have to jump all the way in to check out a product. You can start small first to see is this for you, okay? It has a $39.95 package, which was retail at $79.95. Okay, and you get the things that you see what's included. Okay, you're getting the power hormone ebook, power hormone workbook. You're getting a bloating balance solution workbook and a double your energy mini workbook. Eating for hormone health. Okay. Then you got the sale's gonna end. Okay, right now I've got to tell you guys, you're getting a 50% off. This is what you're getting, 50% off. Okay, you have to hurry in, to get the benefits out of this package. Okay, that's package 1. Okay, there's 3 packages here, folks. Then you got the best value pack for $99.95 plus shipping and handling. I take issue with that a little bit. I like free shipping, but okay, it has value. Sometimes you can overlook that. Okay, then that's the second pack. Then if you want to go all in for the physical package, okay, physical pack, that means it comes in your mail and you get all this stuff. Okay, $99.95. Okay, this for the physical version. Then if you want to get, like I said, the one for $99, there's a physical package too, and a digital package. So those are options. Okay. Then like I said, once you go to the website and look it over, okay, and see the benefits of this product, especially if you feel your hormones are out of whack, and you want to know what to do to get yourself back on track. And here's other women who had great success with this product. Okay, great success. Go through this website, ladies. 60-day money back guarantee. So when you're not satisfied with a product, I like to know, can I get my money back? But I think this product, you won't be asking for a refund. Especially if you know it works for you. Go over this website. Just don't take my word for it. You got 3 packages deal, $39.95. You got one $99.95. That's the physical package. Like I said, go over it. Then they got the questions and answers for you. Okay. Check those questions and answers. See if they line up what you're talking about. They got contact information. Okay. You can always contact them. Email and find out what's going on. Check this product out. I'm going to leave a link in the description box for you to go visit this website. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like the videos I'm presenting, let me know. Put something in the comment. I answer all my comments. I don't care what time of day it is. I answer those. Okay? Because I want people to start taking care of themselves, health-wise, financial-wise. Take care of yourself so you can live a longer, healthy life. Not just for you especially, but for your family. Stick around. Take care of yourself. Like I said, go check this product out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to leave a link in the description box. Check out the Hormone Wellness Group today. I hope you have a blessed day. Don't forget to exercise. Go out Every morning, take a walk. I don't care if you got to go around the block, up and down the street a few times. Get that heart pumping. I hope you have a blessed day. See you on the next video. This is Terry Clark, aka Papa 51, signing off. Enjoy your day, guys.